How to promote your Amazon.com affiliate links using Pinterest.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new method on promoting your Amazon.com links, Amazon affiliate links in your Pinterest.com. So first of all, we need to choose a niche. So the niche that we're going to choose today is this niche, green and sustainable living. So let's search for some posts about this niche. As you can see, we have a lot of posts talking about gardening and all things that are green and sustainable living. So what we're going to do is just pick a post from here, or if you can't find a good post in here, you can just go to TikTok and search for the same niche and find or select a viral video and upload it, and then re-upload it in your Pinterest account and leave your affiliate link in the post. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So let's pick a post, for example this one. Let's click on it. Here we click download image. We open create idea in other tab. Then we go to the other tab so that we can be able to create our post. We drop this picture that we downloaded from the previous post. As you can see, we need a title, so let's get the title, copy, and then we leave the title here. Then we take the description, copy it also, and we take it here, leave the description right here, and here to add a link, let's go to our Amazon.com and let's search for a product in the same category. Let's look for home and kitchen, movies, television, pet supplies, sport and outdoors, tools, home improvement. So I think in the arts and crafts you can find it here. So now let's go to the search and let's type green. Let's go with the gardening. Gardening. So let's search and let's see all the results. Let's go with gardening and lawn care. So let's go with this one. It's a bestseller. So we click on the product, and here we can see the product. It has also a coupon code and a very good price. It will give us a pretty decent commission. And here we can get our link, our affiliate link from here. But just let's wait for it to upload. So here we can get our link from here, affiliate link. We click on text, and this is our link. We copy the link and we add our link here, and here we search for tags that are related to this post. So everything that are related to gardening, garden ideas, garden art, garden projects. So make sure to choose as many as you can, because it simplifies for the post to be shown to other people, to a lot of people, and to go viral on the platform. Garden planning. So make sure to choose a lot of tags, and then after you're done with your tags, you can click publish and your post will be published. So you wait for it to be uploaded, and now it's uploaded. As you can see here our link. When clicking on it, it takes us to the same page that we have here. As you can see, so this is the same page. So when someone buys this product, we will get a commission on every sale. Even if he didn't buy this product and he bought another product from the website, within 24 hours of clicking our link, we will still get a commission. So let's close this tab, and after uploading your post, you can do the same 14 times or 20 times, 14 posts or 20 posts a day. So you will focus just on creating posts, and you will focus on picking some good products for in order to make money from this method. So I advise you to stick with one niche and focus on it. So don't jump from niche to niche. That's gonna ruin your account in Pinterest. You can create multiple accounts, and for every account you can choose a niche, but I don't recommend that. You're just going to waste your energy. Just focus on one account and one niche and put all your energy in it for a month. If you see no results, you can then switch the niche or check your method. It can be a mistake in it or something. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends.